Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to this tutorial video in which I'm going to talk about Adobe Illustrator's pen tool. Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how can you use the pen tool for creating lines, curves, how to add nodes, how to remove nodes, and basically I'm going to talk a lot about the pen tool. In the next video I'm going to use the direct select tool, and I'm going to talk about direct select tool of how can you select it and how can you use it for editing the paths and the curves that you have made using the pen tool. So it's kind of like a two part video. Today's video is going to be about the pen tool. The next video, which I advise you to go ahead and take a look at, is going to be about the direct select. Okay, so guys, I'm assuming that you have opened Adobe Illustrator on your computer, and for accessing the pen tool, firstly the keyboard shortcut, guys, is I'm sorry guys, my bad, is only the letter P, and you'll see that Illustrator's pen tool gets selected. Guys, pen tool I think is a very powerful tool. It literally lets you create any kind of thing you want. Like, say if I was to compare this to CorelDRAW, just in case if you are CorelDRAW users, I would say this is something like the line tool. It lets us create any kind of designs, and later we can go ahead and edit the nodes that we have created with the pen tool. Okay, anyways, for all those who are beginners, let's get started. Alright, so with the way, guys, the pen tool works is it creates different nodes and joins them with a line. So for example, check this out. If right now I have my pen tool selected and I have absolutely nothing on my canvas, guys, if I click somewhere, you'll see that I have added a node. You can see this small blue box, guys, right over there. That's a node. That's called a node, guys. And if I go a little bit away from it and if I click now, guys, you'll see that all I have done, guys, is I have added another stroke. You can see this, guys. If I zoom in, I think, yeah, you can see it. You can take a look at this, guys. All I have got is right now is, guys, I've got two different nodes, one over here and one over here, and Adobe's Illustrator's pen tool has joined them out with a line. So that's exactly how pen tool works. Now, how can you create curves with it? I'm going to select pen tool once again, and the basic thing is, guys, that you first have to create the first node or your starting point. Okay, so click somewhere, and right now, guys, what idea I've got right now is to create a small smile. So for creating a curve, guys, using the pen tool in Illustrator, is to click and not let go. Okay, do not let go, just click and then move your mouse. You can see if you move your mouse up or down, you'll see that you're creating curves. Now this is like that sad smile, or that sad face, that's sad emotion. We need the smile, so I'm gonna drag it on to the other direction. Okay, and that looks good. The best part about pen tool, guys, is that you feel that that this position of the node is not really right or accurate, so you can just add the space bar to the whole thing, to your whole action, as in don't let go your mouse button, guys, and add a space bar, and you'll see that you are able to position the node that you are creating, meaning you can position the node as you are creating it. And I think that this part is kind of good. Okay, and I'm going to let go, and you'll see that I've created a very basic curve, and that is really good. I'm gonna select both of these by making this marquee selection. I'm gonna press the delete key. Now, guys, let's take a look at what are some more options that we have when we are using the pen tool. Now, guys, once again, in today's video I'm only going to talk about the pen tool. Okay, if you are looking for a video on editing the nodes, or basically trying to edit the parts that you have already created, I suggest you go ahead and watch my fourth tutorial, or actually this is the fourth tutorial. Yeah, actually watch my fifth tutorial on the direct select tool. Alright, so okay, let's get back to today's video. I'm gonna select my pen tool once again, and guys, what exactly I'm thinking is to create some basic waves. Alright, so for doing that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click over here. Then, guys, I'm gonna come down to this part where I can see this green line which says that okay, I am on a good straight line. I'm gonna drag and I'm gonna make a good wave, something like a Sony Vaio. That is good. I'll come over here till I see the line, click, and you'll see it automatically creates a node for me. I'm sorry, my bad. I'm gonna move a little bit ahead, create another wave. Okay, that looks good, not bad, definitely not bad. Okay, now we have got some basic waves created. I'm gonna press Control 1 actually. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Now guys, I'm gonna select my pen tool, okay, and you know guys, for just make sure guys that you have your path activated, okay, before you get started with it, because if the path is not activated and you go ahead and click somewhere else, you will actually be creating a new point or a new node, okay. And the actual thing guys is you can take a look at the symbol of the pen tool. Right now you can see that I have a pen tool, like I have the icon of the pen tool, and I have a small star below it on the right hand side, meaning that right now I am in the creating mode, meaning if I click somewhere I'll be creating nodes and I'll be, you know, in the creation mode. And right now just cut the place, I'm gonna control Z it. Right, oh sorry. Now guys, you can see that my path is selected, okay. You can see this blue line, meaning that the path is selected. And when I hover my mouse over this path, you'll see that that star icon changes to a plus icon, meaning that this feature of pen tool allows me to add my nodes. Meaning, you know, say you are creating some design and you feel that you can use a little bit of, like, a little bit extra nodes, and you want to add it. So instead of deleting the whole design and then creating it again, you can just go to the pen tool and add some few nodes. Like for example over here, if I wanted a node over here, I just added it over here. Now for editing this node guys, I need to select the direct select tool, in which I'm not going to talk about in today's video. I'm going to talk only about the pen tool. And once again guys, if you have created, like say, multiple nodes, and you say that they are distracting you, because sometimes the CSD can get in the way. Like say example, I've created like really lots of nodes, so that can be problematic guys sometimes. So for deleting nodes, you don't have to do anything. No modifier keys are supposed to be held down guys. You just need to keep your mouse over a node, and you'll see that your mouse pointer changes to a minus sign, and when you click on the node, you'll see that you just simply delete the node. Take a look at it guys, it really is good. I feel that pen tool is, but yeah, one thing I would like to say about the pen tool, it is a little bit tough to master. When you are first using it guys, you definitely will have some problems with it, but in the end you will really be, if you have mastered it, like say really good job with it, then you will really be happy that you have done something. Because pen tool can create almost anything. You want to create a design, you want to create some character, you want to design a logo, or say a poster or something, you can do it man with pen tool, and therefore I think it's great. Alright, so that is exactly how guys you can create lines and curves with Adobe Illustrator's pen tool. I hope you guys like this tutorial, and in the next video we're gonna take a look at how can you edit the nodes of the pen tool, okay. So hope you guys watch that tutorial too, and please subscribe to this channel guys. Please like this video on YouTube, and yeah, once again please show me some support by liking my Facebook page. The link is gonna be in the description guys. Thank you.